Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix GPS and location not working on your Black Shark Pad 7 Pro. So first, as you guys can see, let's open up the Google Maps, for example. As you guys can see, there's no sign of my location. So, as you guys can see, choose the start location. I want to use my location and it will ask me for this device's location. What are we going to do here is we're going to go and select precise while using the app, for example. And now we're going to go over, click turn on, and now our location is working. So here you want to make sure that the location is enabled, because if you disable it, then it will also be gone in a second from here. So that's basically how you guys can fix it. You want to make sure that your location is turned on. Now our dot appeared again, and that's how you guys can fix GPS and location not working. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.